Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best plug adapter is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any traveler, especially those venturing between India and the USA, ensuring your electronic devices remain powered and functional across different electrical systems. Navigating the complexities of international travel often hinges on the small details, and having the right adapter can be the difference between a seamlessly connected trip and a frustrating experience with dead batteries and incompatible chargers. This review dives deep into what makes a plug adapter truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your next international journey. Number 5. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. Are you concerned about keeping your devices powered up while traveling abroad? You don't need to be. This converter is designed to make your international charging worries disappear. With its unique direct EU plug and 4 included adapters, it's the perfect choice for global travel. It's especially ideal for trips to Europe. Utilizing patented technology, it efficiently converts voltage from 100-240V down to 110V for your American appliances. It boasts a conversion rate significantly higher than other converters on the market. This is an essential voltage converter for powering devices like curling irons, hair straighteners, and electric toothbrushes. Just ensure your devices support dual voltage input. As the only ETL-certified brand in the converter market, it offers NRTL safety testing and upgraded hardware. It includes comprehensive protections against overcurrent, overload, overheat, and short circuits, all backed by a 24-month guarantee. With 250W output power, for USB ports, and 3 AC ports, you can charge up to 7 devices at once. This meets all your international travel charging needs. It supports travel to over 150 countries with its EU power cable and 4 international adapters, UK, US, India, AU. Explore the world, from London to Paris, China to India, and beyond, with confidence. What we like. If you need to power multiple devices simultaneously, this is your best bet. It can charge up to 7 devices at once, making it ideal for families or tech-heavy travelers. If you're looking for comprehensive protection and a high conversion rate for your American appliances, this is the one to consider. What people say. It has 3 outlets each and 4 USB plug-ins on the side for cell phone and other USB charging requirements. It has multiple plug adapters and a detachable power cord. It has 3 regular US power plug spaces and 4 USB ports, so I could easily charge phone, Fitbit, and iPad all at the same time. It could have my computer plugged in, my phone charging and an extra outlet for anything else. It's very durable, being packed in and out of bags constantly. Number 4. OREI USA to European Type EF Plug Adapter, 2-pack. Introducing our American to European plug adapter, your perfect companion for international travel. It allows you to easily connect your devices in popular European countries. This adapter is compatible with outlets in Germany, France, Spain, and many other European nations. Simply plug it in and stay connected wherever you go. Designed for travelers, its compact size makes it easy to pack. It's ideal for charging your phone, laptop, camera, and other dual-voltage electronics. Please remember, this is a plug adapter only and does not convert voltage. Ensure your electronics are compatible with 220-240V outlets or use a separate voltage converter. Rest assured, this adapter is CE certified for your safety. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support from OREI. It efficiently converts your American plug to a European round pin plug. This makes charging your essential devices abroad straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. If you're traveling to specific European countries like Germany or France and only need to adapt your existing dual-voltage electronics, this is a great, cost-effective choice. If you like having a spare or sharing with a travel companion, this 2-pack is perfect for your needs. What people say. This little adapter is a must-have, as it will easily convert a European plug for use with US plug-ins. It is small and takes no space in a suitcase. It functions perfectly, allowing for use of that extra outlet in most cruise cabins. Fit security in EU-style grounded, Schuko, outlets, compared to the small 2-prong adapters that tend to wobble, especially in older outlets. They work for both non-grounded items like phone chargers and electric toothbrushes and grounded items like laptops chargers. Compact size compared to other similar adapters. These adapters are grounded, which means that your gear will be grounded in a properly grounded 4-in-wall plug. The actual 220V prongs are well made and will last. The flat back design means that any type of plug, including power bricks, which are normally large, will fit snugly into this adapter. Number 3. OREI American to European Plug Adapter, 6-pack. Introducing a compact and travel-friendly adapter, designed to make your international journeys seamless. It's the perfect companion for your essential electronics. This adapter is compatible with most European countries, including Germany and France. Simply plug in your American devices and explore with confidence. Effortlessly connect your mobile, laptop, and camera chargers. It converts your standard American plugs to the European Schuko type, ensuring your devices stay powered up. Please remember, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It changes the plug shape but does not convert voltage, so ensure your devices are dual voltage or use a converter. Rest assured with CE certification and a 1-year manufacturer warranty. We also provide lifetime support for your peace of mind. Its small size makes it easy to pack and carry. This adapter is ideal for anyone needing to use their American electronics while abroad. What we like. If you're traveling with multiple people or to multiple European destinations that use Type EF plugs, this 6-pack offers excellent value. If you prefer to have plenty of adapters on hand for yourself or to lend to friends, this is a very practical option. What people say. This adapter is perfect for charging my phone and laptop. It works great with my hair dryer and curling iron. The compact design makes it easy to pack and travel with. Number 2. Ceptics India, Maldives Power Plug Adapter Travel Set. Introducing the Ceptics India, Maldives Power Plug Adapter Travel Set. Never worry about finding the right adapter again when traveling to India or the Maldives. This versatile adapter allows you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. It features 2 USA outlets, a USB port, and a USB-C port, perfect for all your gadgets. With its SWADAP technology, this adapter works seamlessly in India and many other countries including Pakistan, Nepal, Maldives, and Bangladesh. It supports Type C and Type D outlets. Ensure your devices are protected with the built-in voltage indicator. It automatically detects the socket's voltage, helping you avoid damage to your electronics. This compact travel gadget is designed for convenience. Please note it is compatible with dual voltage products and is not a voltage converter. Enjoy your travels knowing you're covered by a 24-month Ceptics warranty. This adapter is your reliable companion for international trips. What we like. If your primary travel destination is India or the Maldives, this adapter is specifically designed for those regions. If you like the added safety of a voltage indicator to prevent accidental damage to your electronics, this is a smart choice for your trip. What people say. This modular solution with interchangeable plugs made the most sense and it performed very well. Great for travel, works well with laptop and the pull-out cable charges the phone super fast. It's a well-engineered product and it served us very well. Number 1. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit, designed for the modern traveler. It's your perfect companion for staying connected anywhere in the world. This adapter features multiple ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and a powerful 35W PD USB-C, ensuring all your devices get the charge they need. It's compatible with laptops, phones, and cameras. Never worry about different outlets again. It comes with adapters for EU, UK, China, AU, and Japan, making it suitable for most countries globally. Designed with travelers in mind, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your travel pouch. Plus, built-in surge protection keeps your valuable electronics safe from voltage spikes. Easily see the voltage status with its LED indicator, showing 110V or 220V. It's designed for worldwide voltage compatibility, though it's not a voltage converter for 110V only devices. Enjoy your travels with confidence. This adapter comes with a 2-year limited warranty, offering you peace of mind for your international adventures. What we like. If you're a frequent international traveler visiting many different countries, this universal adapter with its wide range of plug types is incredibly convenient. If you need to fast charge your laptop or other power-hungry devices, the 35WPD is a significant advantage. If you value protecting your electronics from power surges, this offers that extra layer of security. What people say. I love the fact that the adapter is universal and I can pretty much travel the world and know I am covered. I also like the fact that there are not only two USB plug-ins but also a cord with USB-C as well. Works great, and the different outlet adapters are great for travel around the world. Compact and lightweight. 2 USB ports and outlets, perfect if you're traveling with someone and or happen to have a lot of electronics. 2 lights showing what voltage is present at the plug-in outlets that you can check before you toast whatever thing you're plugging in. Super solid and simple construction. Changing the plug was a 5-second process, and everything was made out of solid plastic with good electrical contacts. Safe, foolproof, and sturdy. A bag to carry everything, amazingly useful for keeping all the parts from scattering around a backpack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.